changing a flat tyre, you don't need to know how until it's too late. Today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to get back on the road. First up, pull over to a safe and flat surface. Put your car in park and turn on your hazard lights. Then, get all of your tools ready. You'll find them in the boot under the carpeted floor. Get them out and place them next to the tyre you'll be working with. With the wheel spanner, loosen the wheel nuts part of the way. To get started, you might need to use your body weight. Now it's time to lift the car using the jack. You'll need to locate your jacking point. It is important that you don't jack the car anywhere, as this could cause serious damage. If you don't know where this is, have a look in your car manual. Place the jack under the jacking point, turning the crank to lift the car. Raise the car until the wheel is off the ground. Now, take the wheel nuts off completely. Remove the flat tyre, replace it with a spare, and put the wheel nuts back on and tighten by hand. Alright, speed racers, you're almost done. Lower the car back down and tighten the wheel nuts firmly in a star pattern, pushing back on the wheel in between. Now that wasn't too bad, was it? See, I have a spare tyre, so you can treat it just like the first one. But if you do have a space saver, make sure you check the wheel specifications in your manual thoroughly. But get your flat replaced as soon as possible. You wouldn't want to change a flat for a flat.